Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Following that, tap on Emergency SOS and then click on Emergency Contacts. Now click on Add Contact at the top and click on the one that you wish to set up. You can do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. If you wish to delete one of your contacts, click on this pen at the top right corner and select red icon next to the one that you wish to get rid of. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that and go back, I can see that all of my emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!